Hello, third graders. Let's put some expanded form into practice. The first thing I would like for you to do is to gently rip out this worksheet out of the back of this pathway. You will also need to get a pair of scissors, either from your binder pouch or from my desk. So pause the video and do that now, please. What we are going to do with this sheet of paper is we are going to practice writing numbers in standard form and then expanding them out. And using these little strips of paper, we're going to end up making little accordions with them. We're going to do them step by step together. Some of these parts you'll do on your own, and some of them I'll do with you. So first off, I'm going to be practicing on the sheet on the screen. I don't want you to write anything down just yet. So hold off. Right now is just a watching moment. Okay? So we're going to just start here at the top with my first set. Now remember, I am writing this down, you are not, you are just watching. But let's pretend I've got a number. I've got, let's call it 5,639. That's my number. I want to practice expanding that number, stretching it out. That means I'm going to be showing the value of each place value spot. Well, let's start here in the thousands place. How many is that worth? It's worth 5,000. So I'm going to write this down. Remember, you are not writing this down. This is just you watching me. But I'm showing that in the thousands place, I have 5,000. So that's what we do in expanded form. We show the value. And in the hundreds, what is my value in the hundreds place? Tell me. 600, 600. And then in the tens place, how many tens do I have? I have 3 tens, and that is worth what? What is its value? It is worth 30. And in my ones place, I have a 9. I have 9 ones. So that is what we are doing, is we are stretching out each of the numbers. Now I'm going to clear this off, and I'm going to show you the set of numbers that I want you to work with. If you'll give me just a moment. Okay, I have them written in red here next to each strips on your piece of paper. So you have this paper in front of you. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to write out all of these numbers on the strips. We haven't cut anything out yet. We are just writing these numbers down. So do that now, please. Pause the video, and I want you to write each of these numbers in expanded form like we just did in the previous slide on all of these strips for me. Okay, you should have written all of these numbers out on your strips of paper, and if you need to double check your work, go ahead and do that now. The first one is 5163. The second one is 2972. The third one is 8641. The fourth one is 1380. The next one is 34, and then there's a 0 in the tens place because the number was 3,409, so there was nothing in the tens place. So it was 3, 4, nothing in that place, and then a 9, and then the last one was 6752. Now the next step that we are going to do, I'm just going to leave this page blank. Here we go, and I'll make my screen bigger. So I want you to pause the video one more time, and I want you to cut out all of the strips on the dotted line. So you will come up with 6 of these strips. Okay? So pause the video, cut these out, and we will talk about what you're going to do next. So you should have 6 of these little strips cut out. And you should also, I forgot to ask you to do this, you should also put your name real quickly on the back of all of them. You don't need to do your number and your date, but just your name, so I know that these are yours. So when you hand them in to me, I know I can give you a grade for them. So real quickly, pause the video, write your name real quickly on the back of all of them. It doesn't need to be your last name, just your first name. Okay? So we've got these strips. We need to figure out how these strips are going to help us with expanded form. Well, you can see that on each of these strips, we've got the lines, right? There's a line separating each place value. We're going to work on the ones place. So hold up your little strip of paper. Take your ones place. I want you to fold that back, fold the ones place back. Then I want you to go to tens place. I want you to fold the tens place back on the line. Go to the hundreds place. See the line right there? I want you to fold it back. Okay. Now we are going to be doing a little bit of folding so we can kind of position these strips as it is the number written out. Okay, I'm actually going to pause my video. I want to write a number out for you so you can see that. So give me just a moment. All right, I have written down the first problem, 5,163. I know my numbers are backwards. That's the way cameras work, but we'll go with it. So I want you to go to the thousands place. This number was 5,163, so I have a 5 in the thousands place. I'm going to take, remember how we folded back and fold the line with each place value? Well, I want you to take that little fold and fold it and point it forward. And we're going to kind of move it over to where the hundreds place and the thousands place meet together. And you'll probably have to make like a little crease right here in the back. So move it over and then crease it on the back. See how my thumb is pushing up on the back? And look, we already have the beginning of our number, 5,100. Let's go to the tens place. We have 60 tens. So remember how we folded back that little piece? We're going to push it out now, and we're going to move it over till it meets in the hundreds place. See, tens, hundreds. So we have 5,160. What? We've got the 3. We've got the ones place. Doing the same thing. Point forward that little fold, and see how this back piece might have to crease in a little bit. We're going to hide the 60s. So look, we now have our number 5,163. And you can see how when you pull it out, there's our accordion. We have our expanded form. It might be a little tough to put it back together. All right. I want you to do that with each of your numbers. I want you to practice folding them back and seeing how each place value lands together. Once you have done that, I want you to take all your little pieces, get a paper clip from my desk, and I want you to paper clip these together and put them in the math section. Okay? So I thank you for doing this little fun activity with me, and good luck on your learning.